Well-known architect and RTÉ presenter Hugh Wallace has died aged 68. Mr. Wallace was a founding partner of award-winning architecture and design firm Douglas Wallace Architects. He was also a judge on the hit RTÉ show Home of the Year every year since its inception in 2015, and also presented The Great House Revival and My Bungalow, Bliss. He is survived by his husband, Martin Corbett. They were together for 39 years, with the pair marrying in 2012. Writing on social media, Mr. Corbett said, "It is with deep sadness and shock that I share the news that my beloved husband and soulmate, Hugh Wallace, passed away suddenly at home last night. I am heartbroken." He added, "Please respect my privacy at this deeply painful time." Hugh Wallace, a native of the South Dublin suburb of Dundrum, had previously spoken to the Irish Independent about his upbringing and growing up gay in what he called a bubble of Protestantism. "I didn't want to be gay," he said, having taken a year out in college to move to New York to find himself. "Particularly at that time in Ireland, sure, I didn't know anyone gay. That's the truth, because everyone was in the closet with the door locked, and then they would jump out every so often." Mr. Wallace recently revealed that he set up his company in order to not rely on others due to his dyslexia diagnosis. That company has been working this year on the redevelopment of the Waterford North Quays in conjunction with the local council. He also shared with this publication his struggles with alcoholism, revealing that his doctor told him at age 55 that he was an alcoholic. He subsequently became sober after attending the Stanhope Centre on North Dublin's Lower Grangegorman Road. He spoke affectionately about losing his mother in his mid-20s, a woman he described as an amazing lady whom he became slightly estranged from owing to his sexuality, which he said he regretted. For more on this story, follow us at the Irish Independent.